Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate on Synthetix for derivatives positions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Synthetix platform. Ensure you are using a compatible web browser for the best experience. Locate the Connect Wallet button usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Connect Wallet button to initiate the wallet connection process. Select your preferred wallet from the list of supported options. Popular choices include MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Wallet Connect. If you haven't set up a wallet yet, follow the instructions on the wallet provider's site to create one. Once you select your wallet, authorize the connection by following the prompts displayed. This may involve unlocking your wallet and confirming the connection request. After connecting your wallet, you will see your wallet address displayed on the Synthetix interface. Next, navigate to the Trade or Markets section of the platform. Here, you will find information on various derivatives available for trading. Select the asset you wish to trade. Review the details provided, including price, market depth, and trading fees. To place a trade, enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Check for any required collateral and ensure you hold the necessary tokens in your wallet. Once you are ready, click on the Trade button to proceed. A transaction window will appear, detailing the actions you are about to perform. Review the transaction carefully to avoid any mistakes. Confirm the transaction within your wallet application. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. You can check the status of your transaction in the wallet or the Synthetix interface. Once the transaction is confirmed, your derivatives position will be active. To view your open positions, navigate to the Portfolio or Positions tab on the platform. Here, you can monitor your trades, check balance changes, and manage your holdings. Familiarize yourself with various features available, such as limit orders and stop-loss options. Remember to stay updated with market conditions and adjust your positions accordingly. You are now ready to start trading derivatives on Synthetix. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.